is Veronica Daniel and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make simple nails just like this in the comfort of your house. Please, if you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up for this video. Okay, so let's get right into this video. So the first step is cleaning and cuticle use. You're going to be needing cotton wool, a spirit, and or a nail remover. So you're just going to soak that in and clean your nails fingers one by one because of all the dirt that just could be in there. We don't really need that. And then we're going to go in with this cuticle and remove those extra skin that is not really necessary, so that when you want to fix the nails, it's going to look so smooth, it's going to blend, and all those extra, oh, forgive my hideous fingers, been having some crack and just looking so dry and okay, I'm going to address the elephant in the room. I know some of you that have been watching my videos now and been following me, you know that this is not my voice. So please, I've just been deciding to try something new for this video, make it fun and exciting. So that's why I'm using this accent, which is obviously not original. So we move. While doing this, you just have to gently do it because you don't want to cut yourself and see blood and be like, oh my god, I'm not doing this anymore. The next step we have is filing your nails. So you're just going to get a file and start filing all those corners, those edges. Just make sure that you really file them, because the magic in fixing nails is when the surface is hard, it's rough, because it's not going to be really good when you fix nails and your nails are so smooth. When you're done with that, the next step is fixation with glue, and this is just basically fixing the nails. So you would need a glue, yes, and a pair of scissors and the nails that you want to fix. So you're just going to first of all get all the nails and check which one fits your finger. Check everything and check the one that fits your finger perfectly. So we're going to also get a cotton wool and just dip that in spirit, just in case you have something to clean. So now we're using the glue. We'll put it on the finger you want to start with and the nail. Okay, make sure you put a lot of glue there and you just fix it, pop it on, and press and hold, and if there's any glue extra, you just clean it with the cotton wool. So this is how you fix your nails. So you just keep doing the same thing. So you put some glue on the fake nail and put some glue on your nail and make sure to press and hold. You can see that my nails, there are no gap between my skin and the nails. Everything seems so seamless and cool. That is why I use the cuticle to remove the extra skin, so that by the time I press and hold, everything looks really good. So that's what you keep doing till you fix your entire finger. My nails are looking yummy already. So the next step is filing and buffer the tips. This is just making sure that the edges of the fake nails are all smooth. So you file and you buffer everything, because sometimes when you buy it, it's not smooth. My nails are already looking perfect, and the next step is to apply some nail hardener. This is just a transparent nail polish to give it some shine. So I went off camera to add some pins and some stars to my nails. You can see that already. So it's just looking so yummy. So the last step is to moisturize. This is simply just getting some cream and rubbing all over your fingers, especially if they are dry like mine. If you'd like to know how I did these other things off camera, just let me know in the comment section below. This is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe and share to all your friends. See you in my next video. Bye.